Lakme Fashion Week and Fashion Design Council of India have come together for the first time in history for a week full of fun, festivities and fashion. Starting the show in high notes on fashion, ace couture Anamika Khanna opened the virtual 5-day fashion extravaganza with her collection on Tuesday evening. Titled Timeless the World, Khanna's collection encapsulated the essence of ever-changing emotions beautifully through her work. From casual comfort to fashion luxury, Anamika kept nostalgia as well as tradition in mind as she paid homage to Indian heritage.
When I talk about my collection, this whole collection is more about an emotion rather than just the clothes. First of all, thinking about the very fact that we've all gone through this depressive time frame, everyone wants to come out and the mood is getting a bit more optimistic. At least I'm feeling optimistic.
The first slot of the day was occupied by one of INIFT Presents Gen Next winners, Rafugar by Wajahat. Rafugar by Wajahat represents the work of famed darners of Kashmir. Wajahat's collection Mazi is an ode to craft as well as innovative fashion for the trendy dresser. Comfort was key in Wajahat's collection, comprising of designs like this long-sleeved textured kurta paired with baggy salwars. The second Gen Next winner, Rahul Das Gupta, also showcased his menswear collection next on Wednesday. Titled The Seed, this collection represents a classic appeal marked with a contemporary touch that's sure to align with the sartorial sense of a stylish Indian man. The frayed detailing, intense ribbing effect on the garments, and the rippling of fabrics on the kurtas brought forth a new dimension in menswear. Akshat Bansal of Bloni also made his way to the runway on Wednesday as he was named FTCI's Emerging Talent. The collection introduced designs made from a textile that is made out of marine plastic waste. Blending tech-generated fabrics with local artisanal techniques, hand crochet and knitting along with glazed fabrics, clean silhouettes and gender-neutral shapes form a strong base for this collection. Next up, ace designer Arpita Mehta showcased her collection Reflections on Wednesday. The Logitech concept inspired Arpita Mehta to bring the unique style elements within women's wear. There were 4 distinct strong prints curated with care for this unique association.
We believe in very similar personalities that are strong, who are independent as well as understated. So Logitech believes in making people own their space. And keeping that thought process in mind, we thought of getting inspired by different personalities which are strong, confident, understated as well as versatile.
Geisha Designs by Paris and Shalini also showcased their collection on Wednesday. Titled Sweet Reminiscences, their collection represents the hours when fantasy is given wings and imagination allows one to sail within paper boats. From dreamy after-party looks to floral ball gowns, Geisha Designs personifies beauty in this collection. Designer duo Pankaj and Nidhi showcased their collection Kaleido on Wednesday. Pankaj and Nidhi's geometrical, sharp and precise collection comes in a burst of rainbow hues of brilliant reds, luscious oranges, unabashed pinks, ultraviolet blues and electric greens. This collection includes flowing maxi and mini dresses to kick back and let loose and tailored cord sets with sporty elements.
We wanted to use a burst of colors, an explosion of graphics, make a very comfortable, very chic, very fashionable collection.
Inspiration could come from, like I said, a beautiful conversation, a beautiful song.
We love to create textures that, oh my god, I have to see this dress from close.
Talking of designer duos, Shantanu and Nikhil Mehra were the last to showcase their collection titled #SN Safari on Wednesday. The collection draws inspiration from millennials on the move, adding an exhilarating hint of safari to one's luxury getaway wardrobe. It featured unique design details for both men and women.